The Best Entrepreneur of the Year award goes to Danielle Potts.
When we got there, security was tight. I was amazed how modern the campus looked, and the student culture was exactly what I hoped for. Mom knew I would not go hungry here because the campus has so many cafes and food options. After the campus tour, I was really impressed by the state-of-the-art learning facilities. Taylor's is really well equipped. On the first day I moved into my hostel, I was instantly met by other international students. They really made me feel welcomed and right at home. They gave me tips on study materials and got me ready to face my first semester here. I've got to admit that I was weak in public speaking, and I really wanted to improve on it. At Taylor's, there are many options for me to improve myself. And I decided to check out what Taylor's has to offer. I learned how to organize my time better and got my studies in order at the Learning and Academic Skills Center. Taylor's life skills modules also helped me to be more confident. And over at the Student Development Hub, I got to work with professionals and trainers that gave me tips on my interpersonal skills. It really did wonders for me. After all the help I got, I knew I was more confident to take on the challenges ahead. Towards the end of my semester, I improved on my presentation skills tremendously. Even my lecturer noticed my progress. I was really happy I did well. At Taylor's, I was able to make time to exercise as well. And I love that Taylor's has all sorts of recreational facilities. Sometimes, my friends and I would go to the mini cinema to watch movies. My parents didn't have to worry because they knew I was well supported at Taylor's. But I did miss them a lot. During our semester breaks and on the weekends, we would go out of campus to explore the beautiful sights of Malaysia and learn about the culture. Malaysia is full of diversity, and the food, it is amazing. So many cultures, so many flavors. I truly miss Malaysian food. After graduation, employment was easy because Taylor's is globally recognized. I worked hard and Taylor's got me to be career ready. My journey here has been amazing, with Taylor's preparing me to face real-world challenges. Now, I've achieved so much. I thank my parents for investing in me to study at Taylor's. It was the best choice we've ever made.